Let me ask you something. If I told you to scroll Instagram for the next 2 hours, easy. If I told you to binge YouTube, play games, or watch Netflix, no problem. But if I asked you to focus on your goals for just 30 minutes, studying, working out, building a skill, or chasing your dream, suddenly your brain says, not now, tomorrow, I'm tired. Why is that? Are you lazy, unmotivated, broken? No. Your brain has been hijacked, and the hijacker's name is dopamine. Most people think dopamine is the pleasure chemical, but that's not true. Dopamine is the motivation chemical. It's what makes you want things. It's what gets you to move, to chase, to act. No dopamine, no drive, and modern life is drowning your brain in dopamine. Every swipe, every notification, every like, your brain adapts. What once felt exciting becomes normal. What once felt normal becomes boring. That's why reading feels hard. That's why working feels painful. That's why silence feels uncomfortable. You're not unmotivated. You're overstimulated. This is why dopamine detox works. You don't add more motivation. You remove the noise. A dopamine detox isn't about punishment. It's about resetting your baseline. For a detox, you reduce high stimulation activities, less social media, less junk content, less mindless scrolling. You embrace boredom. And boredom is powerful, because when stimulation disappears, focus returns. Simple tasks feel lighter. Work feels easier. Progress feels rewarding again. If a full detox feels too extreme, start small. Pick one high dopamine habit, social media, gaming, junk food, endless videos, and remove it for one day each week. Just one day. That boredom will push you toward productive action, not because it's fun, but because it's the best option left. And here's the real secret. Don't eliminate dopamine forever. Earn it. Work first. Reward later. Do the hard thing first, then enjoy the reward. Never the other way around. If you start your day with pleasure, you kill your drive. Control dopamine, or dopamine will control you. You don't lack discipline. You lack control over what's controlling you. Dopamine can either destroy your focus or fuel your future. The choice is yours. If this video helped you see your habits differently, subscribe to Elevate Daily for more motivation and mindset videos. Like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and remember, Elevate Daily. Become better than yesterday.